Good morning, and today we are going to see about Womp. Womp is a very good software that can be used for 3D modeling. Here, its name is Womp. First, when you get in, you're supposed to see this type of screen. We don't need to see all this unless you want these specific stuff. You can also get 3D printed things from Womp. But right now, we just want to get started. So after you click get started, you should see a screen like this there should be a new button over here and all these things. And you can also, Womp also has an AI that you can search, but let's just click a new project. The project is loading. Just see no need to see all this, like it's a difference between pro and non-pro, not really a big difference. So when you start, you should see something like this, but it's not really important for us right now. Let's start from a blank slate. So in Womp you should see this like big thing, like big platform. Now how do I add the objects? To add the objects, go to objects, click on the plus button, add objects, or you can directly go to the objects thing here. Now these are the many objects available, pyramid and tours, and there are also these curves available, default, droplet, square, shape, donut, double helix, etc. Let's take a sphere, a cube, the square, a cube, and let's take some text. To move an object around, first you click it, and once you left click it, it should have these 3 arrows around it. Use these arrows to move it around. Also, to move the screen, you hold down your left button to move around and hold down the right button to see around the area. And let's change this text, maybe okay later. Now the special thing about Womp is that it is extremely easy at first. Why? Because unlike Blender, it has many, like you have to add points and stuff. Well, in Womp you can model these things extremely easily. But what is the different thing in Womp? It also use your scroll to zoom in. Let's take these together. Oh yeah, before that, let's change the color. To change the color, you select the object, and here in material you should have this. Or you can even go to the material tab and see all these different materials here. Let's just change the color right now. This is the color. You can see a rough example of this over here. It's not loading properly. That's how you change the material and color. Now, when I join this together, nothing special is happening. They're just like merging together. But look what happens when I do this. Let's select this. Now when I've selected two objects together by holding down the shift and then clicking, we can do this, the group. You can read objects that are close to each other and in a union area can be merged using group. Where did it go? Let's a little bit of group. It's not. Now the group should work properly. Oh yeah. Here you have to use group. You have to make sure that they are together under the same area. You can rename things like this. Now when you increase the group, this happens. This goopy thing is actually the major part of Womp. You don't have to add so many vertices and stuff to change it. Also about the text, you can change it too. That's the basic stuff with Womp. Another major thing in Womp that is usually not available is this thing. Let's imagine the cube is over here, slightly at the back. Imagine it's like this, but look at this. I changed this to negative. Isn't that kind of cool? Okay, my positioning wasn't that correct, I guess. Now look at that. We got a cute little cube with an empty inside by using the negative settings. We can also add some other stuff like this one cube. As long as it is in a different area than this negative thing, it can come inside. Look at that. Inside of the cube is hollow, but this little sphere is still inside. Isn't that cool? We will do editing this for now. So, but how do I save it? To save it, you can go to share. Oh yeah, I remember one thing. In case you're having problem, this is Spark. You can consider anything. Consider any question and ask it. How to use negative and stuff like that. Well, we won't be needing that for now. To get it, you quick share. You want the image or crop and export a region, like you take a picture of this, then screen recording, this is a video. But we want to download 3D, go to 3D mesh. You can also click selection, like you have to select some stuff and then click selection to get it. We want the entire thing over here. Change the quality if you want. Sport. Now a screen like this will appear. Okay, got it. And after that this downloading will start. That's it for today. And yeah, if you want to view the things of Womp, you can install the 3D viewer from Windows, and then you can see it. See, the downloading has already started. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.